I've got a vintage Singer 503A. Serial number is NC424393. And I've got 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for photos used in the ad. And I'm going to show you how well the machine stitches. And after that, I'm going to set everything up and I'm going to run through a bunch of the cams. So first let's do the denim. Goes through at slow and fast speeds. There, it's got an equal stitch on both sides. Now I've got 4 layers vinyl upholstery, and again the same thing. This was already stitched once for photo in the ad. And again the same thing, an equal stitch. And finally I've got a 1/8 inch thick piece of belt. It's sort of leather and vinyl material. And there you have it. Alright, now I've got the machine set up to do the cam tests. And I've got 6 cams. First one's the zigzag. And now I've got the ball stitch cam. Next is the arrowhead. Now I've got the blind stitch. Next is crescent. And finally, it's called Banner. And there you have it.